Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace windshield wipers on an Acura RDX. First, make sure you have the correct replacement wiper blades for your vehicle. You'll want to protect your windshield by placing a towel or cardboard underneath the wiper arm. Then, carefully lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it stands upright and locks into position. This prevents it from snapping back down unexpectedly. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button that needs to be pressed. Once pressed, you can slide the old blade straight off the hook on the wiper arm. Remember to keep a firm grip on the arm so it doesn't accidentally spring back and potentially crack your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully slide the new wiper blade onto the hook of the wiper arm. You should hear a click, indicating it's securely locked into position. Double-check that it feels firm and won't easily detach. Once confirmed, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto your windshield. Finally, repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your vehicle. Once both new blades are installed, it's a good idea to test them out. Use your windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. Listen for any unusual noises and confirm they provide a clear, streak-free view for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.